If your rice has ever come out sticky, soggy, or burnt, today that ends. Welcome back to Owira's kitchen, where we keep it simple and delicious. Let me show you how to make perfectly fluffy rice step by step. Add 2 cups of perfectly rinsed rice in a pan. Infuse some cardamom pods. Add some salt and pepper. Sprinkle some oil. Pro tip: I know a lot of guys don't wash their rice. Rinsing your rice prevents it from being clumpy. Add in 1 part rice and 1 part water. So in my case, I used 4 cups of water. Bring the rice to a boil, then turn it down. Allow it to steam for 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked rice, light, fluffy, and ready for any stew. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Owira's Kitchen family. See you in the next recipe.